Don't mind me. I'm just sending out all my daily tweets. Tweet! 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 I have opinions. I have opinions. Oh. Can someone explain human politics to me? Please stop explaining human politics to me. Oh. I'm here to spill all the tea. Oh, my tea! Tweet! Tweet! Tweet, tweet! Let people enjoy things! Oh, except black licorice. Anyone who likes black licorice is dead to me. Oh, yes, I just love seeing all your baby pictures. Oh, it's just so cute. Oh, like. Okay, we all know baby birds are like the ugliest things in the world, right? I'm offended that you are offended by my offense to your offensive offense. If you want us to smile more, bring us tacos. Or bring me tacos. Can somebody bring me a taco? Oh, so cute. Might delete later. Tweet! Oh, I want tacos. Oh, yes, I just love seeing all your couples photos, you little lovebirds. They get it. I'm so alone. Oh no! Relatable content! Relatable content! Oh, look! It's the sun! I'm just gonna love having inconsistent editing. Don't we just love that? It's like my very own spotlight. Lemonade out of lemons, y'all. Are you kidding me? They're kidding. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. Can somebody bring me tacos? We do not work for the bourgeoisie. It's a myth. A myth. Yeah, it's a myth.